Hi there, I'm Wolfie and I'm an animation generalist for well over 2 decades now. Just to name a few projects, I was animation lead for both seasons of Andor and animation supervisor for the highest grossing German movie of the last decade, which is called Das Kanu des Manitou. Other work I was really proud of is my contribution as animation and rigor on projects like Godzilla vs. Kong: The New Empire, The Witcher and The Flash. This workshop will be based on an overview on how physics impact animation, but also about finding reference, cinematic rules and the most common camera angles. I'll then showcase these topics by planning, setting up, laying out and animating an action scene with a monster strolling through a city. And while doing that, I'll talk about some tips and tricks that you can use for making your animation scene look better and to reduce the time you would waste on fighting Maya in general.